morning, ladies and gentlemen. You're probably wondering, like, what is this surprise drop? Like, what are we doing? You don't drop on Thursdays, but today I'm dropping on a Thursday, okay? And I'm just saying Thursday. I don't know for a fact. I'm about to do this on a Thursday, but you guys, today's the day. Okay, that was terrible. But today is the day. I'm getting micro locs installed today. So I wanted to come on here, give y'all a little behind the scenes of me getting micro locs. I'm tired because I'm tired. Yep. Because I went to sleep at like probably 1 and it's currently like 7 something. Let me see what time it is. It's 7:27, okay? 7:27 like the plane. And I have my lock appointment today, I believe at like 10 or 10:30. And I took my braids out last night. Oh my God. I took my braids out last night. Clearly, I can't speak today, but we need to wash this hair. My loctician told me to wash, deep condition, and then detangle it, and basically just have it ready to go when I get to the shop. I don't know if she's gonna blow dry it. I hope she don't, because I don't like having my hair blow dried, like with regular blow dryers, and I feel like that's what she got. But we will find out. So let me show y'all the wash day lineup. I didn't think this through because I did not bring my freaking tripod in here. So I got to do this with one hand. So first things first, we getting that scalp clean, baby. So we're going to go in with the Tea Tree Detox Salt Scrub. And I feel like it's going to, I thought I reversed my camera. I don't know if it's going to be reversed for y'all, but I'll put everything I use down in the description. I'm not taking y'all in the shower with me because I don't have time like that today. I played myself. I was supposed to do that last night. Like, oh my God, my last wash day. And honestly, I don't fucking care. I'm so ready for this hair to be locked the fuck up. And then they didn't have my shampoo I usually use. And Sally's always got it. But today Sally's did not. It's the, so today I'm going to use the As I Am JBCO shampoo. Never have used this in my life. So hopefully I like it as much as I like their, Long and Lex line. And then she didn't tell me to do this, but I'm about to do this because if you see the hair, you see the like ends is struggling. I'm gonna put me a protein treatment on it before I go, you know, get it nice, right, tight together. And then lastly, we gonna do some food for soft by Matrix. So this is my conditioner I've been loving down. I did not realize it was this low because I was at Ulta yesterday. I would have bought more of this expensive ass. It worked though. It's expensive, but it worked. So I just wanted to hop on here real quick and show y'all her in all her glory. Oh, I can't wait for her to be put away and tucked in. And I ain't got a deep condition no more. Oh, I can't wait, you guys. I've literally been counting down the days until this appointment. And so I'm so happy that it's here. So I'm about to get in the shower, wash my hair. The next time y'all see me will probably be either on the way to the salon or at the salon. So I will reconvene with y'all later so I can actually be there on time. We're not being late. We're not messing this up. I already put the deposit down. We're not going to be late. And okay, if you need some details, I'm paying $8.50 for the install. There will likely be 2 people because she did say that she wanted to have somebody helping her. And she did say she was going to do the interlocking method, which I'm like, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I like that. I like that. I like that. Do that interlocking method so my hair can lock up fast. Yeah. Because I've heard that like long hair don't lock up fast. Oh, you guys know what? Hold on. I did want to do one more thing that I've been seeing the girly pops do. I need to measure my hair because I want to know like how many inches are you starting on. But I know for a fact y'all better not motherfucking ask me how many locks I have in my hair because guess who the fuck is not counting? Me. Okay, now that we got that out the way, I need to just grab my tripod and stop playing. Like, who am I? I don't never hold no camera, girl. Okay. I got a different tape measure than the one I usually use for like sewing and stuff. Sorry I'm so close to y'all. Hello, up close and personal. What's up? I've literally have not had enough sleep, if you cannot tell by the way that I'm acting. But we gonna make it do what it do, baby. Okay, hold on. Let me get y'all on this tripod. Okay. This is a short piece. Let's see what this short piece talking about. So from root to tip, can y'all tell me what's it say? Because I can't see it yet. Ooh, 13 inches. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and that's not even all of it. Let's see where my fingers is at. It's almost 14 inches of hair. Did I think I had that long of hair? No, I did not. Let's measure a back piece. See if it's any different. It's probably different. Okay, y'all want to see if I'm telling the truth? Oh, that's centimeters. Well, you can convert it. You can go on Google. What's it say? It say, that look wrong. Why is that 6? Okay, hold up. 11 inches. That don't make sense. Okay, whatever. So roughly, what I said, 13 inches there. Who knows? It's long. That's all we need to know. It's long. So I have a feeling though, once I finish, my hair gonna be up here because my hair likes to shrink, especially when it's curly. It likes to shrink. So this is it. It's it's doing something. Let's see. This is a longer piece. It's doing something. We don't care. We need to get in the shower. So let me in the shower and I'll be back with y'all when I said I'd get to the salon. Okay. Good morning, ladies and gents. I'm sorry I'm not mic'd up, but I was rushing. I played myself because I was taking extra time this morning playing, knowing damn well I'd be late. So we are pulling up to the spot right now. Thank goodness it's like 10 motherfucking minutes from my house, or we would have been late. And I just want to say that As I Am shampoo, that JBCO one, y'all did y'all big one on that one. That one is fire. But I'm about to walk in because it's literally 9:59 and we're not about to play games with this lady's time because it's about to take a long time. I'm gonna ask her if I could set up the tripod and record. We will see what happens. Hopefully the air was not blasting y'all, but I will be back and I'm gonna have new hair. All right, bye. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you ready for the brand reveal? Are you ready? We're done. So first of all, I asked her, I was like, oh, can I record? She was like, no, I don't do that. Respect, ma'am. But she was like, I could get you a before and after video and I could show you a video when I partied. So I will insert clips of what my hair looked like before and I'll show what it looked like after because it's right here. And then she did have me do some little content for her. Ma'am, I don't mind. And she was like, do you know how to edit? Because I don't. My daughter's so busy and she can't help me. So like, can you help me? Yes, ma'am, I can. Like, that's fine. Like, you're giving me the videos off your phone of my hair. I'm gonna edit them and send them back to you, Miss Ma'am. Don't worry, because this is for everybody. But do you see? Oh my God, they're so freaking tiny. I showed her a picture. In the picture, they were tiny. I got sister locks. I ain't got the sister like grid, but I got sister locks. And I didn't do like, you know how some people be doing a part all the way down the middle of their head? I didn't do that. Like, at least I don't think, which is fine. Like, cause I was indifferent about that. Like, did I want a solid middle part? Yes. Did I want a half up, half down? Cause where is it? She did it. Like, I saw it. I saw the half up and half down because they did the front of my hair first. So I have a solid half up, half down. Yeah. Hopefully my ears aren't dirty. That would be very embarrassing. Y'all remember that video on TikTok of that girl? She was getting her hair done and her hair came out beautifully, but her ears were dirty as fuck. Yeah, let that not be me. I be cleaning my ears though. Not with Q-tips because you're not supposed to do that. But I be cleaning. But OMG, me and my white scalp is out here shining, girl. Okay, let me like do what they be doing. I have hair. Yeah, everybody in the shop was obsessed with my hair, and rightfully so. Like, it literally looks like I just have curly hair. Because I called my husband, I was like, doesn't it look like I just have curly hair? And he was like, yeah. And you know what? I love that for me because on my TikTok, when I was talking about reasons why I wanted to get my hair locked is because I don't wear my hair out. Like, I don't wear my natural hair down. Tell me when's the last time y'all saw me with my natural hair down. Oh, wait. Exactly. You haven't. Because it usually be in a bun or it be blown out. But like, I don't just wear my hair in its natural state. But now I am like, OMG. And you guys, okay, this is the part I forgot. I did all that rushing. Like, oh, I'm going to be late for my appointment. I couldn't remember if my appointment was at 10 o'clock or 10:30. Could I have called Miss May? Yes, I could have. Did I? No. And so I just showed up there like 10 o'clock and I was like, hey, because I thought she had somebody in her chair. I was like, hey, I couldn't remember if my appointment was at 10 o'clock or 10:30. She was like, it was at 10:30. I was like, ooh. I was like, I'm sorry. But I was like, I figured it'd be better for me to be here early than late because we got a lot of work to do. So we started at like 10:15 ish, 10:15. We literally finished at 5 o'clock on the dot. And I was so skeptical because somebody had called her like, hey, like, I need you to do my hair last minute, whoop whoop whoop. And she was like, okay, well, I'm really busy right now. Like, you're going to have to wait. And so then she finally, she like had told him like, oh, just call me at like 5 o'clock. And I'm looking at my head and I'm looking at how much I had left. Because at this point, when he called, y'all, I had all this left. All this left. All of this. And she was like, yeah, just come at 5 o'clock. And I'm looking at her like, girl, I'm going to still be here. What are you talking about? And so the person that was helping her was hilarious. Her name was Praise. Hilarious. She was like, yeah, I don't like doing this. I don't like doing this style at all. And so we got close to the end and she was like, oh my God, praise God, praise Jesus. Oh my God, praise God. And I was like, okay, Praise, are you happy? I'm like, are you happy that you helped? And she was like, now I am. She was like, because your hair is really beautiful. Like, I'm actually happy that I helped you. But she had me cackling in there because her commentary the whole time, like, oh my God, I don't know what I'm doing. Like, Miss May, why are you making me do this? And the whole time Miss May is just coaching her along, like, it's okay, you can do this. Like, let me show you what to do. Like, this is what you do. And like, once you get up to this point in her ear, like, it'll all start making sense because the parts are going to connect. And it was just hilarious because honestly, if I worked in a salon and somebody asked me to do micros, I would be fucking pissed too. Like, what are you talking about, micros? Micros? And then she was like, yeah, you got the type of hair where it's like, you think you're done and then you have more hair. And that made me crack up. But yes, this is the hair. Don't ever ask me to count these. Like, ever. Don't ever ask me to count these. Because if I could give you a rough estimate with the amount of hair that I have, I would say, ooh, I got a cool 500. Cool 500 up in here. Because, yeah, no. There's no way that it's anything less. Like, it is so full. Because one of the other stylists who was there came up later. She was like, wait, like, this is all your hair, right? And I was like, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. There's no extensions in this. This is all me. Honestly, I'm delirious. All I had was breakfast today. Excuse me, because I had already woke up tired. Sorry for smacking so hard on y'all. Like, but I'm really excited. Okay, let's get some shots. I didn't do my baby hairs. Miss May, like, kind of did them for me. Honestly, they're about to stay like this, but, like, I really feel like I could wake up in the morning and just be like, bye, I'm leaving. Peace out. Because all she did at the end was put some mousse in it. Like, she did do some, like, locking gel in my roots to help with the parts and stuff. And shout out to her because she was doing my middle part. And I was like, yeah, the middle part's the hardest. She was like, yeah, I'm about to get help. So she got some help. It's straight. Like, it's straight. Especially, like, when I have a moving scalp. And honestly, y'all, I feel like people be so stuck on their parts. Honestly, as long as I have, like, my few little parts that I wanted, we Gucci, girl. They ain't got to be perfect because they're going to get messed up anyway. It's locks, y'all. It is locks. Like, they're going to shift a little bit when you do your reties. But, like, I could do a side part. Granted, the hair don't want to lay that way right now, but I could do a side part on both sides. Yo, I'm home alone if you can't tell. But I could do a side part on both sides. I could even do a deep side part if I wanted to. Let's see, where is it? Honestly, I'm loving, absolutely loving that I could just part my hair with my finger. Because where can you do that? And then, like, you see, like, some of these were, like, a little broke off in the front. Can't tell you what happened there. But they did add a little bit of extensions there. So it's like, okay, technically not all of my hair, but majority is my hair. Because I think they only did that, like, on this one. You could see it. I had to get a little bit of hair at it. And then, was it on this one? No, she just did this one short, which I'm fine with because it's cute. And then, did this one get hair? This one got a little hair because you see it's struggling. But we could do a deep side part, which honestly, when they mature, oh, we doing this all motherfucking day. All day, baby. all day. And I love, like in the front on like some of my edges, she was like coaching praise, and she was telling her like, hey, like you see right here how like the hair isn't really like that thick or as long as the other parts. On these ones, do the base a little bit bigger to account for that. We love a knowledgeable loctician, because I was telling Miss May, I was like, look, I tried to look on other places because I was like, I didn't know if you did micro locks. I didn't know if you did sister locks, but I was like, then I looked on your Instagram and I saw that you did do sister locks and you did do micro locks. So I was like, I'm gonna just go to her. My husband already goes to her. And she was like, yeah, and you got a discount too. Didn't know that. But wonderful. And I did tip her very graciously. So in the end, I ended up paying $1,000. Yes, $1,000. But it's because I gave $125 tip so that she could get $75 and then the other person that helped me could get $75, because my hair is a lot. Like, so I had to do a pretty good tip. I wanted to do $125 to each of them, but the way my bank account was set up, it's not happening. So in the future, I'm just going to continually to tip them well, because with the reties, with as many locks as I have, it's going to be like 4 hours. That's a long time. So, yeah, we gonna hook my girls up, because they hooked me up and they worked fast. 7 hours. Because in all these other videos I've been watching of people get micro locks, they might get braid locks, they might get twist, they might get interlocking. All the girlies that I see, they had to go to the salon a couple days in a row. I literally went for one day for 7 hours. I need to get off social media, because I just be, what is that? Anyway, let's get into some close-up shots. And then I'm going to leave y'all. But this is going to be like a short little cutie little vlog of me getting my hair did. And I'm so happy. And let me know if you guys want lock content, because this is a little surprise drop. This is not my typical content as of late. But if you want some lock content, let me know. I got you, girl. Because it's easier to get lock content now, because this is just easier to handle. So yes, as always, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Drop what you think of this video below, and I will see y'all in the next one. And it's likely going to be a sewing video, because that's what I've been on as of late. But I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Bye.